welcome to English Speaking Studio. I'm so glad you could join me today. Learning English can feel like a long road at times, but remember, each step forward is progress. And the best part, we're on this journey together. In today's episode, we'll be talking about daily English phrases. These are the kinds of phrases that native speakers use every single day. They'll help you sound more natural, confident, and, most importantly, comfortable when speaking English. Are you ready? Let's jump in. 1. How's it going? You might already know how are you or how's everything, but there's another common phrase that's just as useful. How's it going? Now, this isn't a formal way of asking how someone is. It's casual, friendly, and perfect for everyday situations. You can use it with friends, colleagues, or even people you meet casually. So, how do you respond when someone asks, how's it going? Well? Not bad. How about you? I've been keeping busy, but I'm doing good. These responses are simple, but they sound much more natural than saying just, I'm fine. Let's practice together. Say it with me. How's it going? Great. Now, if you want to make it even more casual, you could just say, it's going. Could be better, but I'm managing. These are also perfectly fine responses. It's important to know that in casual conversation, you don't always have to give a detailed answer. Just keep it light and friendly. 2. I'm running late. All right, let's move to another common phrase. I'm running late. This is a simple way to tell someone that you will be late. Maybe you're still getting ready. Maybe there's traffic. Whatever the reason, it's polite to let others know you're delayed. For example, sorry, I'm running late. I'll be there in about 10 minutes. I'm running late to the meeting. Can we push it back a bit? I'm running late. I missed the bus. As you can see, it's a phrase that's easy to use in many situations. It shows that you're aware of the time and that you're trying to get there as soon as possible. Let's say it together. I'm running late. Now, there's another version of this phrase that's also very common. I'm behind schedule. This is often used in professional settings. For example, I'm behind schedule on the project, but I'll catch up soon. Sorry, I'm behind schedule. Can we extend the deadline? Let's say that together. I'm behind schedule. Notice how both phrases, I'm running late and I'm behind schedule, sound polite, and they show you're making an effort to stay on track, even if things aren't going exactly as planned. That sounds good. Now let's talk about a phrase you'll use to show agreement or approval. That sounds good. This phrase is very versatile. It can be used when someone suggests something and you want to say that you agree with the idea. For example, let's meet for lunch tomorrow. That sounds good. How about we take a walk this evening? That sounds good to me. It's a nice, positive way to show you like an idea. You can also change it up a little. Sounds great. I like that idea. That works for me. Practice it with me. That sounds good. Now, I want you to try using this phrase in a conversation today. It could be with a friend, a colleague, or even in your own thoughts. The more you use these phrases, the more natural they will feel. I'll get back to you. This is a very useful phrase when you need more time to answer a question or give a response. Let's say someone asks you to make a decision, but you need more time to think about it. Instead of rushing your answer, you can say, I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you later. I need to check my schedule first. Let me think about it and I'll get back to you. This shows that you're taking the time to make a thoughtful decision. It's polite and professional. Try it with me. I'll get back to you. And remember, when you say this, make sure to actually follow up when you said you would. It shows responsibility and helps build trust in your conversations. 5. No worries. Let's move on to another phrase that's very common, especially in informal settings. No worries. This is a friendly and easy way to say it's okay or don't worry about it. For example, I'm sorry I'm late. No worries. It's fine. Thanks for helping me with that. No worries at all. Happy to help. It's very relaxed and positive, and it helps keep the conversation light. Let's practice. No worries. You can also use this phrase when you want to reassure someone. For example, I'll pay you back next week. No worries, take your time. It's a great phrase to keep things smooth and friendly. 6, let's catch up soon. Here's another great phrase. let's catch up soon. This is a way to suggest that you'd like to spend time together in the near future. You can say it at the end of a conversation with someone you haven't seen in a while. For example, it was great seeing you. Let's catch up soon. I'll call you next week. Let's catch up soon. We should grab a coffee sometime. Let's catch up soon. This phrase shows that you care about keeping in touch and spending time with others. Let's try it. Let's catch up soon. 7. It's up to you. Here's a very common phrase you can use when you want to give someone the choice. It's up to you. It means that the decision is in their hands. For example, what do you want to do for dinner? It's up to you. What do you feel like eating? We can go to the beach or the park. It's up to you. This is a great phrase to use when you don't mind what the other person decides. It's a way of being flexible and open. Try it with me. It's up to you. 8. I don't mind. Another way to show flexibility is by saying, I don't mind. This is a simple way to say that you're okay with whatever the other person chooses. For example, do you want to watch a movie or go for a walk? I don't mind. Whatever you prefer, I don't mind. I'm happy with whatever you decide. It's a casual and friendly way to let others know you're easygoing. Let's practice. I don't mind. 9. Take care. Finally, let's end with a phrase that's perfect for saying goodbye. Take care. This is a friendly, caring way to wish someone well as you part ways. You can say it to friends, family, or even colleagues. For example, it was great seeing you. Take care. I'll see you next week. Take care. Good luck with your meeting. Take care. It's warm, friendly, and thoughtful. Let's say it together. Take conclusion. Wow! Covered a lot today. You've just learned podcast script daily English phrases.